Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. So this is going to be the last session today on GL and today I'm going to cover topics like business unit, assigning a business function to business unit, and we will see create journals and how we can approve journal and notifications workflow. Then we will also see today the reversal of the journal. Then we will also cover evaluation and translation. So these are the topics for today which we are going to cover, and let's start with the business unit first. So what is business unit? Business unit is a unit of an enterprise that performs one or many business functions that can be rolled up in a management hierarchy. A business unit can process transaction on behalf of many legal entities. Like business unit process transaction using reference data sets that reflects your business rules and policies and can differ from country to country. With Oracle Fusion application functionality, you can share reference data such as payment terms and transaction type across business unit. Or you can have each business unit manage its own set depending on the level at which you want to enforce common policies. So in summary, use business units for, like one can use business units for management reporting, transaction processing, transactional data security, reference data sharing, and definition. So this is the business unit. When we have discussed about the structure or workflow of the Fusion GL, so we have seen that the first thing which we need to define is the enterprise structure. Then there is primary ledger, then there is legal entity, then there is business unit in it, then there is inventory organization. So we have seen the hierarchy, and the business unit is one of them. So important to define in the system. So let's go to the application and see how we can create a business unit. So let's go to the application and create one business unit. So for creating business unit, you need to go to settings and actions, setup and maintenance, give setup financials, search for the task, manage business unit. So go to this task, manage business unit. So I have already created business unit in it with the name of US1 business unit. Here it is. And I'm going to use this in my example, like for seeing what all is given in this US1 business unit. Just go to this edit so that this will get open, and you can see there is a name you need to give for a business unit. Location is not mandatory field. If you want to give, you can give that location for the business unit. And default set, this set is nothing but the reference data set which we have already covered in our session, that you can use common set, enterprise set, or you can also create custom set. Like in this example is created US1 BU set is a customized set which is created and allotted to this business unit for the use. So this is how you can create a business unit. So this was already created US1 business unit. I have shown you in the example, but for creating a business unit fresh, you just need to go to this task and click on this add icon and give a name to your business unit. Like you can give demo BU. If you want to add location, add, otherwise it is not mandatory. And search for the say and searching for the common set only. So here it is, common set. You can use this as reference data set, and after creating this you should enable this as it is already by default activated, so it's fine. And the save and close and your business unit is created. So it is very simple and easy to create business unit. You hardly require to give a name and a set, that is reference data set to it. It can be common one or you can make a customized one also, and we have covered this how we can do the same in our previous session. Reference data set. Fine, so this is about the business unit creation. Now the next thing which we're going to see is to assign business function to the business unit. This is very important because if you will not assign a function to your business unit, the business unit will not be able to perform any task related to this function. So a business function represent a business process or an activity that can be performed by people working within a business unit and describes how a business unit is used. The following business function exists in Oracle Fusion application. So what are the function? The functions are like billing and revenue management, collections management, customer contract management, customer payments, expense management, incentive compensation, materials management, order fulfillment, payables invoicing, payables payment, procurement contract management, project accounting, receiving, and sales, and representation also. So these are the functions, business functions, which are already there in Oracle Fusion. So what you need to do is you need to go to the application and search for the task assign business function to the business unit and give the required functions to the business unit so that it can perform the particular function. So let's go to the application, see how we can do that. So here you can search for the task assign business unit business function, or you can see here it is coming assign business unit business function. First make sure that in scope your business unit is coming. Like I have taken the example of US1 business unit which is already created by me in the instance, so I'm using that only. So the scope is fine. My current business unit is coming here. I'll just click on this assign business unit business function. And here you can see US1 business unit is coming. And whatever functions you want to this business unit to perform, you just need to enable this. So you can see all the functions I have enabled because I want all the functions to be performed by this business unit except sales it is not enabled. So it basically depends upon the requirement that whatever functions you want your business unit to perform, you can enable the same from here. And the next thing is you need to specify your primary ledger and the legal entity created here. So like US primary ledger is there, and the US primary ledger, US1 legal entity is there, and under those two, this US1 business unit is functioning with all these functions here. Fine, so this is also very easy. And first, if you want to create business unit afresh, we have seen that already. And if you want to give business function, this is the task for it. So you can create a business unit. After creating a business unit, the next thing is to assign business function, whatever this business unit can perform. So whatever functions are enabled, only this business functions can be performed by this US1 business unit. Fine. So this is done. So we are done with the business unit and assigning of the business function to the business unit. The next thing which we are going to cover today was the journal. So creation of the journal. So we will see how we can create journal, but before that there are some points one should keep in mind, like the category in which you are crediting the journal, like adjustment or allocation. So it is very important to select the correct category while creating a journal. Then obviously debit amount should be equal to the credit one. Then the account combination in the debit side should have the balancing segment value as in the credit side so that the same company segment is balanced. So it is very important to balance it, credit and debit. Then the last thing is to we should enable the posting while creating charts of account structure in value such value step, else journal posting will not be possible. So this point was related to charts of account structure creation, that we need to enable the posting there, then only you can post your journal whichever you are creating here. Fine. So the next thing is configuration of workflow approvals and notification. Like you are creating a journal, but you don't want to directly post that journal. You want that journal to go for approval. Say there is a person above you, you want that person to approve this journal, then only that posting should be done. Fine, so you can make that condition or workflow approval in the Oracle Fusion by using BPM work list. Fine. So with approval management in BPM worklist, you configure workflow tasks that user act on for approvals, including the notifications involved. For example, specify levels of approval needed, control approval routing, and configure email notification. These all are tasks available, and you can do the configuration as required. After all, assignee approves a workflow task. Like you can assign a one person who can do the approval, or if you want a hierarchy that after one person it should go to another person for the approval, and you can also build hierarchy for the approval by using BPM work list. For some tasks, and like for some tasks, you just need information to pass, but you not need approval. So you can do that also by using BPM worklist. So here are some example of what you can do the configuration workflow task, including notification. So what can be done here is you can set how many levels of approvals are needed for transaction over a particular amount. Fine, like I have said already that if you want a one person to approve, you can set one person. If you want a hierarchy for the approval, you can uh, configure the hierarchy as well in the BPM worklist. Then define how the assignee would be based on supervisory hierarchy in Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM, then create approval group so that the workflow task can be assigned to set the user in the group instead of individual user. Like if you want not an individual group, sorry, not an individual person or user, but a group should approve it. So you can first need to create a approval group. Then after creating approval group, you can set a condition in which hierarchy this approval will can be done. Approval can be done. Then control when to send notification to the user and disable or enable in app or email notification or both. Fine. So for the better understanding of the approval and create journal, let's move to the application and see practically how the approvals can be done. So let's go to the instance and let me take you to the BPM worklist to uh, to show you that what is the approval set for the journal for the user here. So let's go to this bell icon, show all. It does sometimes take time to get open. Let me try one more time. Okay, now you can see the work list. Just go to this work list. The work list is opening. Go to administration. Go to task configuration and search here with FinGL. So here it is, FinGL journal approval. Select it. Go to assigning. Now here you need to go to a mode or activated mode under which you can create your conditions. So the activated tab you can see here is single type payment under which the approval has been configured. So when you will select this, you can see here assignee based on name and expression. and the person to whom approval will go is the Anita Kennedy. So what will happen whenever you will create a journal and when you will try to post it, uh, it will go for approval to the Anita Kennedy. And when the Anita Kennedy will approve that journal, then only posting can be done. Fine. So this is how you can use the approval here. So how you can do this, how you can assign the signee here is based on the name and expression. It can be expression, approval, group, rule based, job level, position, supervisory. But but in my case, I have used name and expression. There is only one approver, Anita Kennedy. Fine. So this is how it can be done. So this is the BPM work list. So let's go to the uh, journal accounting and let's create one journal and let's see how it goes to the approval and how approval is done there. So go to the navigator. Now here it is journal accounting. Go to journals. Go to task list. Create journal. Now here you need to select the appropriate category like I'm selecting adjustment here and give journal lines. Give the account. Say okay. Give debit amount, say 50, then add one more journal line, credit, save it, complete it. You can see completion status is complete now and post now. You can see that journal require approval before it can be post. So now we will log in as Anita Kennedy to give the approval to this journal. Okay, so there is some password issue. So I'm going to first reset password for the Anita Kennedy so that I can log in. to Tools, Security Console, Search User. Now reset password. Okay, so password is reset for Anita Kennedy. Now let's log in again as Anita Kennedy. Okay, so finally it's logged in. Now here you can go to the notification bell icon and you can see that journal batch manual created today with 50 from KC Brown requires approval. So it is asking for the approval. So just give the approval to it and again log in as our old user KC Brown. So approval is done. So posting have been completed. So let's go to the journals and check once. Go to task list, manage journals and search. So here it is. So you can see now batch status is posted now. So it is done. So this is how you can create a journal by simply giving the category. Rest information is it will automatically default like primary ledger, accounting date and all. If you want to change you can change, but I have used the same as it was coming and I have added the category and then I have given the journal lines and I have saved it, completed it, posted. But before posted it requires approval from Anita Kennedy, as in workflow it was defined that before posting the journal it will go to the approval. So after approving from the Anita Kennedy it got posted. So this is how approval and journal creation is done here. Now the next thing which we are going to see is like if you want after creating journal to reverse it. So what is the reversal settings on journal? So what you can do, you can enter and view a journal's reversal setting in a reversal tab on the create and edit journal page. And when you will create reversal, you need to give reversal period, that is accounting period for the resulting reversal journal required for reversal, then reversal date applicable only to average daily balance journals or ledgers, accounting date to be applied to the reverse journal since that needed for calculating average balances. Fine, then what will be the reversal method? After giving reversal period, reversal date, what is the reversal method you are going to use? Like there are two methods like change sign and one is switch debit or credit. So the default setting is switch debit and credit. The change sign setting means that the reversal puts the original journal amount in the same debit and credit column, but with the opposite sign, like negative or positive sign. And the switch debit or credit setting means that the amount is moved to the other column required for reversal. So there are two methods, change sign and switch debit or credit for reversal. Now, what is the reversal status? We only status for the journal reversal. For example, not reversed or reversed. So this is how reversal can be done. So once you have created your journal, posting is done. Now you want to reverse it. So you can do the reversal by using the two method change sign and or switch debit or credit from the journal page and reversal tab. So let's go to the application and reverse the journal which we have created just now. So how you can do is, this is the journal we have just created. Just open this journal, go to batch actions, and you can see the reverse. Just select this reverse option with the reverse period, whatever period you want to reverse it. Fine. So I have selected my period. Then what will be the reversal method? Change sign or switch debit or credit. So I'm using switch debit or credit here and say OK. So process has been submitted. Just cancel it. Say done. Again after that go to task list, manage journals, search, and you can see here reverse manual. This entry has been reversed. Just open it to see. Here you can see debit and credit has been reversed. So this is how you can reverse the journal entry after posting. And after reversing, this journal has been created automatically. The next step is to post it, and for posting same uh, steps has to be followed. Like sorry, uh, same post. Same steps has to be followed. Like first you need to post it, and before posting you need approval from the Anita Kennedy, and then posting will get completed. Fine, so I'm not repeating that step. So this is how you can create your reversal. So what we have seen that how we can create a journal. And before journal posting, if you want any approval workflow, you can create it by using BPM worklist, and approval will comes into play. And after approving, only posting can be done. And after posting, if you want to reverse the journal, you just need to go to that journal, go to batch action, and just reverse it by giving the reverse method and reverse period. Fine, and the reversal journal will be created. So this is how it can be done. Fine. So say done. So we have completed this. Now after this, the next thing which we are going to cover is revaluation. The revaluation process is used to adjust account balances denominated in a foreign currency. Revaluation adjustment represent the difference in account balance due to changes in conversion rate between the date of original journal and the revaluation date. These adjustments are posted through journal entry to the underlying account with the offset posted to an unrealized gain or loss account. All debit adjustments are offset against unrealized gain account, and all credit adjustments are offset against the unrealized loss account. If the same account is specified in the unrealized gain account and unrealized loss account fields, the net of the adjustment is derived and posted. So in Oracle Journal Ledger, the revaluation functionality provides the following advantage: full multi-currency functionality to eliminate the currency barriers across a global currency. Basically, it is helpful to record the difference, like whatever will be the unrealized gain or loss due to foreign currency exchange, it will take care of that thing. Fine. And it's predefined the revaluation rules to ensure consistency in generation of revaluation entry each period. And it will also helps to comply with the accounting standards like FAS 52 and IAS 21. And it will also support for multi-balancing segment to provide clarity in tracking the profitability and performance for more distinct segments for your enterprise in any currency. Fine, so revaluation will help all these things. So how you can do the revaluation? Uh, so for evaluation, let's go to the application again. So how evaluation work? The first things you need to check the currency rate. We have already discussed in our session that how you can create a daily rate. So let's first check the daily rates for the conversion. Go to settings and action, setup and maintenance. Give setup as financials and search for manage daily rates. Go to manage daily rates and go to daily rates. Give from currency like you want conversion USD to INR. So we are going to check that whether daily rate is available or not here for today's date. If not, then we need to create it by using the spreadsheet, which we have already seen how we can do it in our sessions. So it is there already. So the first thing is to check the daily rates. Now the next thing is to create a journal. So we will go to the navigator, general accounting journals, to task list, create journal, again give the category. Okay, so this journal is UAE primary ledger. So it is AED currency. So let's first check for AED currency, UAE currency here. So let's go back to the settings and actions. Let me change this ledger. I want US primary ledger. Now let's go to create journal and give category, and here give currency as INR. You can see conversion rate type, conversion rate, inverse conversion rate, all will come. So currency is INR. So here you will see two fields get activated, entered currency and accounted currency. So entered is INR and accounted is USD now. Fine, now give the journal lines. Select the account. Say okay. Give amount, the 100. can select the account for credit, say OK, give credit. You can see automatically by using this conversion rate, accounted fields are also getting filled. Fine. After that, save. Complete and post. And for posting, it will go for approval again. Okay, so it is done because we have changed the ledger, so it got posting, got posted automatically. So after posting is done, everything is done. Then for revaluation, go to navigator, go to parent close, go to task list, and here you can see revalue balance. Just select this, click on this add icon to create a new, give a name, like I'm giving demo, revalue. Select your chart of account, mine is US chart of account, give currency, it will be INR, conversion rate type will be corporate, give unrealized gain and loss account, so that difference can be booked in this account. So the unrealized gain. Unrealized loss. So this is done, post automatically enable, and you want to add here your evaluation that you want to perform evaluation for which account. So just select that account, that will be accounts payable. After selecting the evaluation account and giving the unrealized gain account, loss account, and other things like name, charge of accounts, conversion rate, just save. You will see this generate will get activated and click on this generate. Now select the ledger and select the evaluation which we have just created just now with the name of demo. Create accounting period, accounting date and rate date will defaulted, and just submit this process. As is the process number. Now go to save and close. Now go to schedule process and see whether the evaluation balance has been completed successfully or not. So we have run that process. Now we are checking that it has been completed or not. So schedule process, select hierarchy. Here it is. So you can see here, this has been completed successfully. So we have done with our evaluation, and for checking further that this evaluation is properly completed or not, you can go again to manage journals, and then you can search with the source of evaluation that journal has been created for the evaluation or not. So this is how evaluation can be done in the instance. So first you need to check whether the currency rate is available or not uh, for the date in which you are doing the evaluation from the task manage daily rate. then you need to create a journal. And after creating a journal, you need to post it, and then you need to go to period close tabs, and in period close you need to run the evaluation. And from after running the evaluation, you need to come to the schedule process and check whether this it has been completed successfully or not. And after that, you can also go to manage journals, and you can search by the source evaluation and see whether the journal has been created or not for the evaluation. So this is how evaluation can be done in the application. So in today's session, we have seen how you can create a business unit, how you can assign business function to the business unit. Then we have seen how you can create a journal and how you can create a journal with approval. And then we have also seen how we can create a reversal journal. Then we have also seen right now that how you can do the evaluation in the application. So this is all for today, and thanks for joining.